Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install CubeWP Framework. So let's get started. Go to cubewp.com and click download for free. Here you can click download. Then make sure you have a fresh CubeWP instance where you can simply go to plugins and upload the plugin. You can also search the plugin right from here, which I do recommend, and just install it. And then you can activate it. And there you go. You have CubeWP Framework installed. Next, you want to go to CubeWP Dashboard, where you can learn more about CubeWP. You have access to different resources, links, some benefits, some FAQs, some shortcodes that will come very handy later on, and some helpful articles and documentation links. Here we also recommend some premium add-ons that you want to check out later on, but definitely you can create a lot of stuff, a lot of dynamic content types, powerful websites, search, forms, filters, custom fields, taxonomies, post types, and a lot more with CubeWP Framework and WordPress without spending a penny. So that's amazing. So I guess this is where, we will stop and continue in our next video and check out some of the settings, and we will be back. Thank you.